Now we will look at our website setting. If you go to the setting, you will see like something like that. I mean, that is the site title. Tagline, what is that? After a site title, what you want to say? What is site about something? So I would like to say it is my bragger. You can say learning website. Learning website. Okay. So after that, your website address, that is your URL. Okay. URL means uniform resource locator. Okay. So after that, administration email. If you forget your password, something like that, so how can you reset this? Then membership, anyone can register or not. I mean, if you're creating a website like that, anyone can register and see the things, something like, and want to write blog. So we have to just tick mark this. If a user is registering your website, so how will be default role? That will be some roles like administrator. It should be only given to that who is accessing the all features of the website. Okay, that means only you. Editor who want to some write content or change some additional features. Authors only write to blog. Okay, contributor that can help, and subscriber only limited features for this. Okay, site language I use only English. Time zone, what the time zone showing something like that, so I will change this. I will be living to India, so I will put this Kolkata time zone, and after that I will just save changes. Okay, so it will save the changes. Now everything is fine. Yeah, time and date. Okay, after that I will go to the writing option. In writing, default post category uncategorized, default post format. Okay, you don't need to worry change this, you can change it later. Mail server, don't change anything else, just put the reading. In our reading setting, what will be, this setting is basically depends on what do you want to show on your user. You can say visitors. So what will be your home page? Basically, what is the home page when you open any website? So first page that loads, that is called as home page. Okay, which page is load firstly by going that or your URL, that is called as home page. So in my case, if someone, now you can see that whenever anyone goes to my URL, it will opens a blog post, something like, so I just want to, whenever anyone go to the home page, that should open a static page. That will be my first page, whatever I have created. And the post page should be, I have not created any post page. We will create a letter. So that will open in a post page. So just save these changes. Okay. And if I go to this and just refresh this page, now you can see that my first page is showing here. Okay, this edit option is only visible to me because I am here as a admin login. Okay, so after that reading setting, we will just go to the discussion. In discussion, you will see some basic settings. Mostly you don't need to change all of the settings. Okay, we will change if we will use any like community website. So I will go to the permalink option. Permalink, what is the permalink option? This one is, I mean, if any post something, so what after that written? Your URL structure. So we make sure this should be set to the post name. I mean, whatever your page name will be the structure of your website. So always use the post name. Okay, if selected something like this, just move to the post name and just save it. Okay, so we have done all the basic setting of our websites. Now we will start to creating our website.